welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. If you guys are new here, this is my son. His name is Bartolo. He is my beautiful hairy child. He is very shy, so that's why he's not looking at you guys. Anyways, he is my little Coca-Cola polar bear. Well, Bimbo is, but he's here with me right now, so that's why I'm using Bartolo as my Coca-Cola polar bear example. So anyways, if you clicked on this video, it's because you guys want to see my eye look that I create with a Coca-Cola eyeshadow palette. This one right here. If you guys haven't watched my unboxing video, I will link it up here. And I just did an unboxing video a few minutes ago, and I was so excited, and I didn't want to swatch the palette because it's just so pretty, and I don't know, I'm weird like that. But anyways, in this video I will only be creating a look. If you guys want to see the swatches for the lip collection, it's all going to be in the unboxing video, and also the swatches for the eyeshadow palette. So anyways, let's begin. I'm gonna have to let you go.
Bye guys.
So before I begin, I am going to be priming my eyes with a NYX Pigment Primer, and I will be doing this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay you guys, I'm back. I already primed my eyes, but I haven't set my eyeshadow yet because I will be using a shadow from this palette, the Coca-Cola palette, and this is what it looks like. If you guys haven't seen it yet, it's really pretty. There's a lot of neutral shades, but I love the pop of red and the shimmers, and I think it's just super pretty. This palette does have two pressed glitters, this one right here and this one right here, which kind of sucks, but I mean, it's okay. But anyways, the shadow that I'm going to be using to set my eyeshadow primer, it's this shade right here, and this one is called Bubble Up. And I don't want to, but I'm going to be using my beautiful Coca-Cola brushes right here. They're so pretty, and they all say Coca-Cola, and they're just adorable. But anyways, let's begin. I don't want to make this video too long because we are hungry and we want to go eat. Well, we're not gonna go eat, we're gonna pick up something to eat at home. So anyways, I'm going into Bubble Up, and I'm setting this eyeshadow primer because it is super sticky, so I have to set it. So these brushes feel really soft, and so far I really like it. And I'm sorry if my face looks greasy, it's just really hot in here. So I think I'm going to begin with this red shade right here. It's like a light red, and this one is called Always Bright, and I'm going to put this in my crease, and I'm going to be using this brush right here. Oh my gosh, look at that red, it's so pigmented, it's so bright. And this brush, it's really soft. That red is super pretty. I really like it. So this palette has a little bit of kick up on the palette, but it's not that bad. I don't know why, I always find it easier to do my eyeshadow on my left eye. Well, I think I overdid it over here. I'm just going to try to blend my eyeshadow with this huge brush that I used first with no extra product. Okay, I'm going back with the red just to retouch it. Okay, now I'm going into the darker red, this one right here, which is called Good and Red. And I'm going to be using this other brush right here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be for the outer V, but I'm going to use it for that because I already used the other smaller brush. And let's see if you can see a difference. Oh yeah, you can see a difference. It's darker. It's really pretty. And I really like that these shadows don't have fallout. Okay, so now I'm thinking of putting a shimmer all over my lid. I'm not sure if I should go in with this one or the blue one. but maybe the blue one. We'll see. So before I do that, I am going to be priming my eyes with a NYX glitter primer, this one right here, because I always put glitter primer on my eyes. Okay, I just changed my battery, so if it looks different, that is why. I'm going to be using this brush right here to apply the glitter primer and the shimmer, and hopefully this brush isn't too big, but that's how much I put on my lid. Okay, so I'm going into that blue, this one right here, and it is called Cool Story, and I'm going to be using the same brush, and hopefully it looks blue. Whoa, that looks really pretty. This is more like a topper, but I already applied it there, so I'm just gonna go with it. That looks really pretty. I wonder how I would look if I would have applied this gray and then the blue on top. Maybe it would have looked pretty. I'll probably try that tomorrow. Okay, now I'm going back into that dark red just to blend these together. And voila. That looks really cool. I like that blue. So now I'm just gonna go back with that little brush that I used for the first red just to blend this side because it's like weird looking, like so. I kind of don't like that I put the red all the way down here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. Okay, so now I'm thinking of putting this silver or gray. It's called Can Do, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line, and I'm going to be using this brush by Moda Pro because I don't have a brush like this, a smudger brush like this from the Coca-Cola collection. Ooh, this is a nice gray, like silver or metallic, something like that. Cool, I like that. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. Now I'm going back into that small brush that I used with the first red, and I'm going to blend out this outer corner right here. With that brush that I used, that blue glitter, this one right here, I'm going to put a little bit on the top of like silver or gray to see if it looks different. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Okay, I like that. And I'm going to blend out this side. Okay, so now for my inner corner, I'm going to be using this shade right here, and it is the first one, and it is called Fizz. And I'm going to be using this small brush. It's so cute. These shadows are so smooth, and I like that they're not powdery at all. Whoa, that's really pretty. I don't know if you guys could see the difference from the blue in this one, but I can, and it's like really pretty. Look at that. Hopefully you guys can see. This look is a really shimmery look. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying eyeliner and mascara, and I will be doing this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. The eyeliner that I used, it is a Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner, and the mascara that I use is a Superhero mascara. And well, here is the look that I created with a Coca-Cola eyeshadow palette. So far, I really like this eyeshadow palette. I'm really happy that I got it. The shadows are super pigmented, and I obviously still haven't used all of the shadows, but the ones that I used today are really pigmented, and I'm just really happy with the formula. And I can't wait to keep playing with this eyeshadow palette. If you guys like Coca-Cola or Morphe, you guys should definitely get this palette. It retails for $22 on the Morphe website, but I got it for $19 using a code. The code that I used was Nicole, if you guys want to try that code. But anyways, what do you guys think of this look? Do you guys like it? Do you guys want to get the Coca-Cola palette, or do you guys want to get anything from the Coca-Cola collection? So anyways, let me know if you guys would like to see a palette bingo next with this eyeshadow palette, or if you guys want to see a like 2 looks 1 palette, or I don't know, just let me know in the comments below. And the brushes I really liked. I think I used all of them except for these two. I didn't use these two, but I did use all of these, and I really like them. They're super soft and they're easy to work with. I love the red handles. I just love everything from this collection. It's so pretty. Oh, and I forgot to mention the lip glosses. I put them back in the package because I'm weird like that. But anyways, I really like the lip glosses. They're not sticky at all. The one that I'm using right now is the light pink, which is this one right here. It's like a nude pink, and this one is called Share. And I think it's super pretty, and it's like an everyday lip gloss. So I'm super happy that I got this lip collection as well. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what would you guys like to watch next. And so anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.